The shoebill, the bird that feels like a dinosaur. What if I told you there's a bird that looks like it came from another time? It's a bird that looks like it came from another time. Meet the shoebill, one of the strangest and most unsettling birds on Earth. At first glance, it doesn't look real. Its massive beak, its piercing stare. It doesn't look real. Its massive beak, its piercing stare. Its almost motionless body. It feels like something from the age of dinosaurs. And that's what from the age of dinosaurs. And that's what makes it so disturbing. Because it doesn't behave like a normal bird. Most birds move constantly. They fly. They search. They react. But the shoebill does something different. It stands still, completely still, for minutes, sometimes even longer, watching, waiting, not moving a single inch. And that silence? Single inch. And that silence creates tension. Because you know something is coming, but you don't know when or how fast. And then it happens. And then it happens. In a split second, the shoebill strikes. Fast, precise, violent. Its massive beak snaps shut with incredible force, grabbing its snaps shut with incredible force, grabbing its prey instantly. Fish, frogs, even small animals, all caught in one sudden movement. No warning, no chase, just a sudden attack, out of nowhere. But here's no chase, just a sudden attack, out of nowhere. But here's what makes it even more unsettling. It doesn't look aggressive. It doesn't look fast. It just stands there, silent, almost emotionless. Stands there, silent, almost emotionless. Like it's not even alive. Until it moves. And when it does, it's already too late. But the shoe It's already too late. But the shoebill's power isn't just in its strike. It's in its patience. It can wait longer than most predators. Long enough. Loud. Some of them are silent, still, and waiting. And somewhere in the swamps, standing perfectly motionless, there's a bird that looks like it belongs in the past, but is very real today. And when it finally moves, it only needs a second to end the moment.